I'm Mike Hackard. Estate planning isn't just about money, it's about legacy, family, and peace of mind. But when families are blended, estranged, or dealing with significant wealth, planning isn't just important, it's essential. Let's take a real world example, the estate of Hulk Hogan. With a $25 million legacy, multiple marriages, children from different relationships, and business interests, his estate reflects the challenges many families face on a smaller scale. So today, let's talk about how a trust's lawyer helps protect your legacy, especially when family conflict is part of the picture. When family meets fortune, the risk of conflict. The larger or more complex the estate, the greater the risk. Multiple marriages, estranged children, a new spouse, ongoing businesses. Each of these adds another layer of potential dispute. Without clear trust planning, heirs may accuse one another of manipulation. Estrangement can resurface, and expensive legal battles can last for years. A trust lawyer anticipates these risks before they explode by building clarity, structure, and enforceable safeguards. The trust lawyer's role. So, what does a trust lawyer actually do? Trust, drafting, and funding. Making sure assets are not just listed, but legally placed into the trust. A trust without funding is an empty shell. Protecting against disputes, including no contest clauses, clear disinheritance language, and properly executed documents, the lawyer reduces the grounds for challenge. Spousal rights. In places like Florida, a surviving spouse is entitled to 30% of the estate unless a waiver exists. A trust lawyer ensures that rights are addressed in advance, preventing costly surprises. Business succession. Family businesses, partnerships, or commercial properties require continuity plans. Without them, businesses can collapse just when they're needed most. In short, a trust's lawyer isn't just a drafter of documents, they're a strategist, a shield, and sometimes a peacekeeper. Where things go wrong, let's be clear, without careful trust planning, things unravel quickly. Estranged heirs file claims of undue influence. New spouses demand elective shares. Ex-spouses suddenly reappear with claims. Outdated beneficiary designations contradict trust terms. What was meant to be a legacy of security turns into a legacy of lawsuits. A smarter path. Forward good planning asks hard questions. Who should inherit? Should distributions happen all at once or in stages? How do you protect against disputes between children of different marriages? Who is the right trustee, family, or a neutral professional? A trust lawyer helps you answer these questions with both legal and emotional foresight. They also coordinate with tax professionals, business advisors, and financial planners, ensuring every asset is properly titled and every angle covered, and crucially, they schedule reviews. Life changes, marriages, divorces, births, deaths. Your plan should change too. The bigger picture. Here's the truth. Trusts aren't just paperwork. They're a family roadmap. A properly structured trust minimizes conflict, keeps wealth intact, and most importantly, preserves relationships. It gives heirs clarity instead of confusion, guidance instead of arguments, and peace instead of court battles. Without it, you leave behind uncertainty, and uncertainty breeds conflict. Closing. So, if you're building a legacy, ask yourself, have you done more than just draft documents? Have you created clarity, anticipated conflict, funded your trust fully? At Hackard Law, we've walked families through some of the most complex emotional trust disputes. And we've seen firsthand how careful trust planning can prevent years of bitterness, expense, and heartbreak. If you're ready to secure your family's future and protect not just your assets, but your legacy, reach out to us. I'm Mike Hackard. Thanks for watching. Schedule a consultation at hackardlaw.com.